ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ y and x, y is the function and u is the helping word. So u is the helping word. Now find dy by dx. So dy by du and du by dx. So du by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to, so dy by du into du by dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So du is cancel here. Now it is dy by dx. So the dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This is the chain rule formula. This is the chain rule formula. So ಇದರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. If y is equal to e power x square plus 2x plus 5, find dy by dx. Now solution. The given function is y is equal to e power x square plus 2x plus 5. So y is equal to e power x square plus 2x plus 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now u is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5. So now u ಅನ್ನು x square plus 2x plus 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So now y is equal to e power u ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So y is equal to e power u ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now differentiate with respect to x. So with respect to u ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So x ಆಗಲ್ಲ because u ಇದೆ. ಸೊ e ಪವರ್ u ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ e ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ dy by dx is equal to e power u. ಸೊ e power u ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು another differentiation. ನಾವು differentiate with respect to x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು du by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of 5 is constant, so it is 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್. ಸೊ dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So what is dy by du? So dy by du ಅಂದ್ರೆ e power u ಇದೆ, e power u into, so du by dx is 2x plus 2. Now e power u, so e power u ಇದೆ, so u is x square plus 2x plus 5 ಇದೆ. So x square plus 2x plus 5 into, so 2x plus 2. So this is the answer. Now another example. Example 2. If y is equal to log x power 3, find dy by dx. So the solution. The given function is y is equal to log x power cube ಇದೆ. ಸೊ y is equal to log x power cube ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು u is equal to log x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ u is equal to log x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು y is equal to u ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ u is log x ಆದರೆ u ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ with respect to u. So differentiate with respect to u and differentiate with respect to x ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. differentiate with respect to x ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So differentiate with respect to u. Now dy by du is equal to differentiation of u cube ಅಂದರೆ so 3u square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now differentiation of u is du by dx is equal to differentiation of log x is a 1 by x. So now apply the chain rule. dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So what is dy by du is 3u square into du by dx is a 1 by x. Now dy by dx is equal to, so 3 u square is what? U is log x. So now take u is a log x. Now log x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 3 log x square into 1 by x. This is the answer. Next, another example. If y is equal to e power x cube, find dy by dx. Solution. The given function is y is equal to e power x cube. So now put u is equal to what? X cube. So u is equal to x cube. Now y is equal to e power u ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Now differentiate with respect to u. So now differentiate with respect to u and differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So now differentiate with respect to u is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of e power u is e power u. Now differentiate of u is du by dx is equal to differentiation of x cube is what? 3x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now apply the chain rule. dy by dx is equal to dy by du. So dy by du into du by dx. So now, so dy by du is what? dy by du is e power u into, so du by dx is this one 3x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now e power u ಇದೆ. So u is what? u is x cube into 3x square. This is the answer.